The wording and structure of the prompt provided to the LLM can significantly impact the model's accuracy. In other words, prompt engineering is a huge deal. There are a variety of options for how a prompt can be created. However, most prompts are comprised of the same few components. First is the instruction, which is a clear directive or command telling the model what to do. It defines the goal of the prompt, like summarize this article, or in this case, translate the sentence from French to English. Next is the input data, which is the raw text or information given to the model to process. This could be a simple query, piece of text, or a dataset that the model will use to generate its response. Exemplars are provided in the prompt to guide the model on how to respond. These can be specific examples or few short learning techniques where you show the model sample inputs and expected outputs to steer its performance. Indicators are hints or guiding words embedded in the prompt to signal the desired structure or format of the response. For example, starting with answer or output helps the model understand the format it should follow. Context is the additional background or information provided in the prompt that helps the model understand the situation or topic better. It helps the model generate a more relevant and accurate response by placing the task within a specific scenario or framework. These elements together form a well structured prompt to guide the model's output effectively.